So what's a variable? A variable is nothing more than a memory location to store values. So think of it as a box where you want to store a product or an item. So in computing, it's just a reserved memory space. Okay. Now in Python, to create a variable is pretty simple. So for example, want to create a variable called a, right? And then we assign it a value called maybe a value 1. So that's how to represent that. So if we want to create another value, another variable, we can just say b. Then we use the equal sign to create, or rather to assign it to some value. So this value is stored in b. So let's say, for example, we wanted to get the value of the variable that points to 1. Okay, that would be a. So we just type a, and that's what is going to be shown in the output. So click on the play button, and as it connects to the resources here, you'll see that we now we're able to output the contents. What if you wanted to change this to b? Okay, so pretty simple. That's what happens. So remember, you can click on the play button, or you can use Control Enter. We are using Mac. That'll be Command Enter. Yeah. So again, let's look at other different ways you can assign to a variable. You can assign an integer. You can assign a float. Float, we just use a decimal. A complex number is shown like this. We just use +2 j there. A string, we use the double quotation mark, and this is just a reserved word. It could be true or false. So for example, if I just type here false, okay, you see it changes to blue. Okay, so if I run this, okay, and then I type here e, right, you can see now it's gonna show us the output as false. Okay, so again, if I wanted to delete this cell, just click on this button here, and that deletes that. If I click on this, also I can delete that. So that's what a variable is. This will be the building block for other high-level data structures. So next, we're going to look at the basic data types.